Hello everyone, your math facilitator Divya is back with a new set of 10 GK questions. Are you ready? I'm equally excited, so let's get started. So here comes the first question. Our body prepares which kind of vitamin in the presence of sunlight? Guess the answer, it's very simple. It's vitamin D. Vitamin D is synthesized in our skin with the reaction of 7-dehydrocholesterol with UVB radiation present in the sunlight. And you can also get vitamin D from foods like eggs, fish, mushroom, etc. And if there is a deficiency of vitamin D, then we may suffer from diseases such as joint pains, excessive sweating, digestive problems, and even overweight. So maintain a good amount of vitamin D levels in your body, have good vitamin D rich foods, and also expose your body to proper sunlight. Now the next question is, what is pollination? Pollination is nothing but the transfer of pollen grains from the male part of the flower, which is anther, to the female part of the flower, which is stigma. Once pollination occurs, the fertilized flower produces seeds which enables the plant to reproduce or form fruit. Now the next question is, ordinary table salt is called as sodium chloride. Then what is baking soda called as? Think. Baking soda is called as sodium bicarbonate and its chemical formula is NaHCO3 and it contains sodium cation and bicarbonate anion, and it is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. Now the next question is, which city is known as Garden City of India? And the answer is Bangalore. Bangalore is known as Garden City of India, and as you all know that it is also capital of Karnataka state. It is well known for its pleasant weather throughout the year. So go to Bangalore, have a pleasant vacation, not now, after this lockdown and after all this corona settles down. Here comes our next question. How many members are nominated by our president in Rajya Sabha? The answer is 12 members. Yes, 12 members are nominated by our president, and these 12 members are people who have contributed a lot in different areas like literature, science, and social services. And have a look of the present 12 members who are nominated by the president in our Rajya Sabha. Here comes the next question. Which Indian state shares the largest border with Bhutan? The answer is Assam. Assam state shares a border of length 267 kilometers with Bhutan, and there are other states which share border like Sikkim, West Bengal, and Arunachal Pradesh. You can have a look of the share of borders here. Here comes your next question. Who is the present health minister of India? It is Dr. Harshvardhan, and he has won a number of awards. So some of them are, he has won Polio Eradication Champion Award by World Health Organization in 1998. He has also won Polio Eradication Award from Rotary International in 2001. He was also declared as a Doctor of the Last Decade by Indian Medical Association in 2002. Here comes your next question. Which state is the largest producer of salt in India? So the answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is the largest producer of salt in India, and it is third largest in the world. And the state contributes to more than 70% of India's total salt production. Now here comes your next question. What is the other name of perimeter of a circle? It is circumference. Very simple, right? So what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundaries of any shape. Now here in case of circle, the length of the boundary is nothing but circumference, and it is given by the formula 2 pi r, where r is radius. Now here comes the last question for today. Which port is the largest artificial port in India? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is the largest container port in India, and it is popularly known as Nhava Sheva. It contributes to 40% of nation's overall containerized ocean trades, and it is located in Mumbai. That's all for this session, and I hope this session is engaging for you, useful for you. If yes, then let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so that you'll have more videos like this. Thanks for watching.